Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw an Indominus Rex Among Us crewmate skin. Now, I have a lot of fun trying out some of these different crewmate skins, and I've been having a lot of fun doing some of these different Jurassic World skins. But if you guys have any other ideas, definitely let me know, put it in the comments, and I'll try my best to get to it. But I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Among Us Indominus Rex, we are going to begin with the little face shield. So we're going to start right here, and I just want to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to curve around, and it's going to come back down at an angle. Next, we're just going to take this line, we're going to go up and connect it to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come all the way down to here. Go a little farther. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come across. Then right here we're going to make a line that's going to come down. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and then it's going to come over. We'll make another one that's going to go down and over. Then I'm going to bring this line up here. And over here we'll make a line that goes down and then comes back for that other toe. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come across. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. We'll curve it down and then come back. Make another one that's going to go down and back. And then one more, it's going to go down and it's going to come over. Now, before we finish this off, let's come up here. So I'm going to start up here and I'm going to begin by just kind of jumping over here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to about here. Then I'm going to make a line, it's going to go up, and it's going to kind of come down like this at a point. Starting here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go up and then down just a little bit. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then we're just going to go all the way down here to connect to the foot. Now for the pack, I'm going to start right up here. I want to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come to a point and in a little bit. We'll go down, come to a point and in a little bit. Down and down and in like this. Now starting here, I'm going to start right at the pack. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. It's going to come out like this. Come to a rounded point, and then I'm going to come all the way back to here. Now, starting here, we're going to add the teeth. So I'm going to add some sharp teeth coming all the way down here. And some sharp teeth on the bottom too. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw some lines that are going to go down and then come up for some of those kind of long spikes that the Indominus Rex is going to have. So we'll just add some different size ones all along here. And we'll just put some big ones and some small ones around there. Then starting here, I'm going to add just a few little triangle shapes right down the tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Among Us Indominus Rex skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.